Good afternoon. Welcome back to Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. And we are about to go back to Wyoming. And I was thinking about a new series. And so, do you know what these are? These are vanilla beans. Actually, 50 of them in this bag. So I'm thinking about doing Vanilla Fridays, where I have a different vanilla bean recipe every Friday. I've done series with vanilla beans before, but there's just so many possibilities. I've often thought about writing a cookbook with all my recipes from Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona, or start off with a cookbook with recipes with vanilla beans, vanilla extract, vanilla paste, vanilla sugar. I think it could be very exciting because I do love vanilla beans. I usually use Madagascar vanilla beans. That's just a preference. There's a lot of different kinds of vanilla beans and people like different kinds. For me, Madagascar has always worked really well. So I'm thinking about doing a vanilla bean series. I would start it April 19th, which is my dad's 93rd birthday. But it's a Friday. We'll be already back home and we'll be pretty settled in. And so I didn't want to be too rushed and do it the week before. I want to know what you think. Would you be interested on recipes? Me baking, cooking, making hot drinks, cold drinks, different things, ice cream with vanilla beans. And in addition, I think I might do some giveaways of vanilla beans because I love a good vanilla bean. And the more you buy, the better price it is. So in the comments below, what I'd like you to just say, yeah, I'm interested in that. No, I'm not interested in that at all. That's totally okay. I just want to see if there's some interest because I'm always baking with vanilla beans and a lot of times I don't even do those make a video of it. Let me know in the comments below. And I think I'm going to try it for a few weeks, but I'd like to see if you're looking for a specific vanilla bean recipe. Put that in the comments too. And I'll do some testing of those recipes and we'll see what kind of fun videos we can come up with. Plus, give some vanilla beans away. That's right, free vanilla beans. This is Sandy at Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. If you didn't know, I have restarted my memberships. So if you're interested in joining my team of membership team and having private videos, having private live chats, different things, let me know. Vanilla beans, yeah. See you next time.